Welcome. My name is Danette, and I'm a registered nurse with clinical experience in ICU step-down, critical care management, rehab, long-term care, and Medicare patient advocacy. Today I want to talk about something that affects tens of millions of people across this country, and yet is still widely misunderstood. Chronic pain, what it actually is, why it's increasing, and what it means for the people who are living with it every single day. Let's start with the numbers, because they are striking. According to the most recent data from the CDC's National Health Interview Survey, chronic pain now affects approximately 24% of American adults. That's roughly 60 million people. What makes this especially important is the trend. Chronic pain rates have increased by nearly 20% since before the COVID-19 pandemic. Researchers now believe that long COVID has contributed meaningfully to that rise. This isn't a minor health issue that affects a small segment of the population, with costs estimated at over $500 billion annually. We are, as one Stanford pain researcher described it, facing an astounding and growing public health crisis. So what exactly is chronic pain? The clinical definition is pain that persists for more than 3 to 6 months. Pain that continues beyond the normal expected healing time. But here's what that definition doesn't capture. Chronic pain isn't just an extended version of the ache you feel after an injury. Over time, chronic pain changes the nervous system itself. The way pain signals travel through the body can become altered. Pain pathways can become sensitized, meaning the body begins to respond to normal stimuli as if they were harmful. This is why chronic pain is often so difficult to treat. It isn't just about the original injury anymore. It's about how the nervous system has adapted, and in many cases, maladapted, in response to ongoing pain signals. One of the most important things to understand about chronic pain is that its effects extend far beyond physical discomfort. Chronic pain affects sleep, often profoundly. When pain disrupts rest night after night, it affects mood, cognitive function, and the body's ability to heal. It affects mobility. People begin to move less, avoid certain activities, and slowly build their lives around what their pain allows. It affects independence. Tasks that were once routine, cooking, driving, getting dressed, can become exhausting or impossible. And perhaps most significantly, it affects identity. People who have lived with chronic pain for years often describe a quiet grief, a loss of who they were before the pain began. This is why pain care has to be more than a number. While chronic pain can affect adults of any age, the data shows a clear pattern. It becomes significantly more common as we get older. For the Medicare population, adults 65 and older, chronic pain is one of the most prevalent and most undertreated conditions there is. And this is a population that often faces compounding challenges: reduced mobility, transportation limitations, and a healthcare system designed around appointments. Even when good treatment options exist, many people can't reach them. Getting to a clinic appointment requires transportation, which many older adults and mobility-limited patients don't have reliable access to. It requires the physical capacity to leave home, travel, wait, and travel back, which for someone in significant pain can be more exhausting than the treatment is worth. The result is that millions of people who could benefit from specialized pain care simply don't get it. Not because they don't want help, but because the system isn't designed for them. That's the problem that Watercrest Integrative Pain Solutions is built to address. Watercrest is a mobile, nurse-led pain management service based in the greater Houston area. I bring drug-free, non-invasive pain therapies directly to patients in their homes. The approach I use is called Neurofunctional Pain Management, or NFPM. If you or someone you love is living with chronic pain, you are not out of options. The body has a remarkable capacity to respond when given the right tools. Tools that work with the nervous system rather than simply masking what it's trying to tell us. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss future content. I regularly share education about chronic pain, drug-free treatment options, and what it looks like to take a different approach to pain care. If you're in the greater Houston area and want to learn more about in-home pain management services, visit our website at watercrestpain.com or reach out directly. I'm always happy to answer questions. Until next time, take care of yourself.